How to create an Excel dashboard in 2 minutes using Claude AI. If you have ever tried to build a dashboard in a spreadsheet, you already know how time consuming it can totally be. Now, you can start cleaning data, then figuring out formulas, and then even building charts, and then formatting everything so it actually looks presentable. And before you know it, hours are gone. Because traditionally creating dashboards in Microsoft Excel requires both technical knowledge and a lot of manual effort. But in 2026, that process can be reduced dramatically. By using Claude alongside Excel, you can go from raw data to a functional dashboard in the matter of minutes, not by skipping steps, but by automating the thinking behind them. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to create an Excel dashboard in under 2 minutes using Claude AI, and more importantly, how to understand what's happening so you can repeat this process anytime. Now, before we jump into the process, let's clarify something. The 2 minute dashboard is not about magically skipping work. It's about compressing the planning, structuring, and formula building process using Claude. Instead of spending time figuring out what charts to use, how to structure your data, or which formulas to apply for yourself, you describe your goal and Claude generates the structure for you. Then you actually implement it quickly inside Excel so the speed comes from clarity, not shortcuts. All right. So every dashboard basically starts with data. Now, inside Excel, your data should be structured in a clean table format. So basically, let's go ahead and create a table with a clean format for ourselves. So over here, let's go with name. Okay, over here, let's go with date. And over here, let's go with age. Now, in name, let's say I'm going to go ahead and write John. Let's go with Jason. And let's go with Alan. Okay. So once we've added that here, we're going to add the dates. So let's say I'm going to add 4/10/2020. Okay. Then over here, we're going to add 4/4/2023. And over here, let's go with 17/8/2026. Okay, we're going to be adding this for ourselves. Once that is done, you can start adding the ages as well. Okay, your ages can be, let's go with 45. Let's add 23 and let's add 67. Now, once that is done, what's going to happen from here is now you have a structured data in a table. Now, what I mean by structured in a clean table format is consistent column names, no empty rows, clear categories such as dates, values, and labels. Now, even though Claude is going to help you with analysis, your data still needs to be organized properly because the quality of your input directly affects the output. Now comes the actual key step. Instead of manually planning your dashboard, you describe your dataset and goal to Claude. For example, let's come over to Claude here, and you can go ahead and write, I want you to create a dashboard nicely in my Excel. I want you to align the data properly. Okay, you can tell it that. Then you can say, I want insights. And let's finally go with the dashboard is for me to see a summary of content. You're basically going to go ahead and add these things for yourself. And once you add this, Claude is then going to suggest a dashboard structure. Now it says, once you share it, I will review the data structure, read the relevant skill for creating polished Excel dashboards, build a dashboard with proper alignment, summary, insights. Now it will ask you a few questions. So what kind of content does your data track? So you can go with stuff like, let's go with, in our case, blog and articles. Let's say I want let's go with all of the above. Preferred dashboard style, let's go with executive summary style. Okay. You can go ahead and add that right in. And it says, could you upload it? Once you do it, I'll dig in and build the dashboard. So what you do from here is you simply come to export. And what you can do is you can simply export the basic Excel file, or you can simply save it as. So in my case, I'm going to go ahead and add it into my downloads. So we're going to save it in the downloads. I'm going to come over to Claude. Here, we're going to go to add files or photos. Once you go over here, you're going to click that open. Once you click that open, go over to downloads. And once you go to downloads, you're going to open Excel right up. Once you do that, you're going to go ahead and upload it into your Claude. And once that is done, as you can see, it starts reading it through. Now it goes through your Excel file and it can, include any type of examination, and it gives you recommended charts, key metrics, and even layout ideas. So this basically replaces what would normally take a significant amount of time. So as you can see, I need to flag something important here. The file you upload contains only 3 rows. So what you can do is you can simply tell it to, pretty much go with the actual option. So let's go with, I want a demo template. Okay, let's go with option 2. Once we go with option 2, as you can see, it says I'll build a sample block dashboard with realistic placeholder data structured so you can swap in your real numbers later. Okay, now once you do that, and once you have a proper structure, it's going to start building your metrics. And instead of figuring, things out manually for you, it's going to create all those things. Okay, and what you're simply going to want to do is wait for it to go through with the things. So, you get the appropriate working and you get the right amount of information, analytics, and insights into it. And that's what the dashboard is about. And the fun part about Claude is that it actually goes ahead and does a lot. It does a lot of coding. It's important things, using different types of primary colors, adding different types of sample data for you, and it goes on and on. And once all of this is done, what Claude does, the fun part about Claude is that it will basically go ahead and create an Excel file for you that it will send you straight away. And what you can do is use that Excel file wherever you want. That's the fun part about it. It creates the appropriate rows and columns, and it gives you the correct dashboard. Okay. And it gives you a whole layout where you can arrange your charts, metrics, and labels into a clean view. Now, while Claude can suggest layout ideas for you, this is where you apply your own adjustments. The goal is basic clarity. Your dashboard should be really easy to read and understand at a glance, and that is something that most people don't compromise on. So do make sure to have this enabled for yourself. So what you're simply going to be doing is wait for it through. And once that is done, you won't have to worry about copy pasting anything, because what Claude does is it gives you an actual XLX file, which is basically an Excel file. And in all of that, your dashboard is already going to be created. And moreover, this is one way to do this. The other way is also something you can do, but most people don't have accessibility to that, which is why I'm not, very keen on sharing that with you. But if you do have the upper plans, you can simply come over to customize. You can click on connect your apps. And once you click on connect your apps, here you get the option of Microsoft Excel. So you can go to search connectors. Here you can search up Excel. And once you go ahead and search Excel up, usually you're going to get Microsoft Excel here to download for yourself. Okay. It's a plugin that you can browse. And if you want the plugin, you can also get it in your Claude Cowork. But again, that is something that is for the upper and higher up plans, which is again something I won't be sharing, too valiantly. So once all of that is done, as you can see here, it says I created a dashboard for you. What you can simply do is you can go ahead and open it in your Excel. And once we go ahead and open it in Excel, what's going to happen from there is you're going to see the actual dashboard that it's created. And look at that. How incredible and amazing does all of that look? It did all of that in a jiffy with a straight prompt. So that is how you can go ahead and create a clean looking dashboard through your Claude AI. So that's pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.